YouTube, it's your boy Double D coming live in full effect. Yo, today's video, I'm changing. I have a new Dodge Challenger. It's a 2017 Dodge Challenger with 20,000 miles on it. I traded in my Mercedes Benz for the Dodge Challenger. And on today's video, I'm changing out the air filter. I'm changing it from the stock air filter to a K&N air filter, which is supposed to give better horsepower, and better gas mileage. So this is my 2017 Dodge Challenger SXT. It's 305 horsepower with the 3.6 liter Pentastar engine. So the first mod that I'm doing today is the K&N air filter mod to the car, and the next mod that I'm gonna do 3 mods to this car. I'm doing the air filter, I'm gonna do the exhaust, and I'm gonna tint the windows 20% to give it a nice look. Let me show you the car, by the way. Yeah, it's nice. Got 20-inch wheels. It's the black edition, I think. You got 20-inch wheels. This is a nice car. It looks black, but it's not. It's actually like blue, and it have flakes in it. I don't know if you can see the flakes. Sometimes the video or the camera don't do it any justice. You have to actually see it in person. This is a nice car. I love it too. It drives good. It's a good daily. Yep. It's a nice car. And of course, you see I got the Shop Life sticker up on the glass. But this is the K&N air filter right here. This is the 3.6 liter Pentastar engine that the car have. And I'm gonna be taking out the stock filter. I just unbolted the air filter compartment. That's the stock air filter, and we're gonna take it out. It's simple. I'm gonna take that out. See, that's the air filter compartment box. Okay, and I'm gonna put the air filter in, and it's simple. Put it back down. Gotta screw it in. Okay. Be like 1, 2, 3. Screwing it in. See, 1, 2, 3. See? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I'm drilling back, putting back the screws in the air filter compartment. I just put the new K&N air filter in. And that's it, pretty much. And as you can see while I was filming, it was only 3 screws to take off. 1, 2, and 3. That's simple. And all I had to do was raise up the air compartment and just drop the filter in. So I'm gonna see how the performance is going to be with the K&N air filter and the gas mileage, and I'm going to give you an update on it. Okay. So this is your boy Double D signing off, saying take care, God bless. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna have more videos dealing with my new car and give you more updates of what I do. So today's first mod was the K&N air filter. Second, I'm gonna tint the windows, and third, I'm gonna do the exhaust. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. This your boy Double D coming live in full effect. Peace.